What is going on, my beautiful people that click on to this video? If you are new here, let me know in the comment section. If you are returning, let me know in the comment section. Salute to all my OG subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all returning back for another video. Not one, yes, two, coming again at you with another video. How's everybody doing, man? I hope y'all had a great day. I just want to say before I get into this video, I'm surprised at the late night videos, man. The late night videos do well. I don't know if it's a different time zone or I don't know if you guys are just up late like me, but hey, man, I say probably like a year, close to 2 years ago, I used to be like, man, I can't be dropping these late videos because the views just aren't there. But it doesn't matter what time I drop a video. You guys are always checking and supporting, man. So I greatly appreciate that. But like I said, man, I was not about to do this video. I worked out at the gym. Video was posted on the other channel, Organic Muscle. Make sure you check that out. If not, it's all good. But yeah, man, I'm exhausted. I almost said, you know what, I'll do this video tomorrow, but I want to be a man of my word. I told you guys yesterday I was going to drop this video today, so here we are. So we got two outfits, man, that we are going to be trying on. One, the Converse outfit I told you guys about, and two, we have another one. I don't think I showed you guys this. I'm not even sure if I posted on YouTube a short. I think just on Instagram. Maybe I did on YouTube too, but we got this Scarface jacket. We bought this t-shirt too. The t-shirt I bought separate, but it just paired so well. But yeah, man, we got this Scarface jacket that we gonna style. And guys, I ordered some pants off of Shoe Palace. So I'm nervous and excited at the same time because I'm not sure how these are going to fit. These pants were like small, medium, large, extra large. They didn't go by like actual number sizing. So I don't know. I went with the extra large because I do have pretty decent sized legs. So, you know what I'm saying? I didn't want them to be like a skinny fit type of situation. So yeah, guys, but these are Scarface jeans. I'm supposed to say Scarfish. These are Scarface jeans, and I feel like it would go well with the Scarface jacket. Just a whole crazy outfit. And then I'm gonna surprise you guys with the shoes that I'm gonna rock with the Scarface joint. So I'm trying to think if I should just get into the first outfit and then unbox this with the Scarface. Yeah, I think I'll wait. First we'll get into the Converse outfit. Before we do that, I just want to ask you guys again, because I posted a short asking and I got a few comments back. People say, yeah, go ahead, but there are another pair of souvenir Vans coming out Thursday, 2 days from now. And they're blue, and I'm still feeling the same way I feel, guys. I really not feeling the whole age, dirty, distressing and age look that these Vans have been looking, how they coming out, man. I'm not a fan. I want to dirty my Vans myself, and honestly, I don't even dirty my Vans. I like all my shoes to look clean. I don't care what it is, except for the Nigel Jordan 1. The Jordan 1 Bikey joint, that one comes beat up and it looks great. There might be one other pair I have in my collection that's beat up. I can't think right now. But anyways, yeah, that's the only sneaker that comes beat up that looks like it because of the story behind it as well. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, man. This blue colorway, as far as the upper goes, very nice. This is in my opinion the best out of all the souvenir drops to me. So would you guys be interested in that vlog if I go out there, pull up to the Vans store, which is a decent drive for me? It's a good 35 to 40 minutes. I'll have to go there early before Vans store opens up and line up, because I'm assuming a lot of people are going to be going crazy for that sneaker, especially in the area that it's in my state that is going to be dropping. A lot of white boys live out there, man, and I already know how they do with the Vans and stuff like that. So comment down below if that's something you guys want to see, and I will definitely do that, because yeah, there are the Chrome 8s dropping this weekend, but the Jordan vlogs are just corny, man. Jordans are not selling out. People are not coming outside lining up really like that, so I want to kind of do something different. So comment down below, let me know if that's something you guys are interested in seeing, if you already didn't watch my short and comment. All right, with that being said, let's get into the first outfit, guys. If you watched my video yesterday, you already know we are going to be styling these bad boys with the Converse jacket. And I told you the only way I will rock it, man. So without further ado, let's throw that on. So before I go with the complete fit, I just want to let you know that I decided to go with the a white tee. You know what I'm saying? It's got that thick neck, giving that early 2000s look. Man, I love Galaxy tees. If you guys remember Galaxy tees, then you know they don't really make those like that no more. Obviously, they do make this type of tee. And this tee came from Kirkland, man. Kirkland packs. But Kirkland doesn't even sell these anymore, man. They're selling tees that look like Hanes tees that are really, really cheap. So, the ones that I did buy, because I bought one extra large pack and one, I think I bought two packs of extra large. The extra large ones that I did wear, I brought to the dry cleaners. I'm holding on to them because I love the fit in this joint. So yeah, that's what we're going with as far as under the jacket. So I just wanted to talk about that first, guys. All right, guys, here you have it. I went with the Nike pants because Nike bought Converse. You know what I'm saying? Nike bought Converse back in 2003 for $205 million. So the Nike and the Converse goes hand in hand. So we got that Converse star on the side. And guys, in case you do, shout out to Planet Aux. If you're watching this, my brother, you want to pick these up? Me, I took the laces out of these. True to size, and I just now took the laces out. They're unnecessary. The laces make the sneaker extremely tight, more tight than it needs to be. And I honestly feel like the laces, if you try to zipper up the sneaker, the laces are going to, over time, they're going to ruin the zipper. You know what I'm saying? The zipper is going to get caught and it's probably going to break off because the laces are lifting the top part of the shoe just slightly more. So I took the laces out, man. If you're playing ball in these joints, I get it. But if you're not playing ball, you don't need the laces. But dope, man. First time actually putting these on feet. Because I know I just did the review yesterday. I didn't try them on. Man, these are dope on feet. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but I really want y'all to understand the contrast that I got going on here. Right? The contrast in the sneaker of the different blacks you have here, hitting with the different blacks on the track pants. I mean, look at the black here compared to the lighter black here. So, man, this is such a dope outfit, man. I love this, man. I love this. And maybe some people would have said, oh, man, I would do a Converse tee under that. Me personally, no. I think that's too much, man. Just keep it plain. Breaks up the monotony. Makes this Converse patch on the side here hit. You feel me? And I just love the bagginess, man. I love that the jacket stops here, and then you got the tee, the white tee showing, man. I've always been a fan of this look, always. So yeah, man, dope. Can't wait to actually wear this outside. Like I said, we got the hood here. And I said this yesterday, man, that usually I go with the extra large. I went with the large. The reason why I said I was going to go with the extra large is because when I did my arms like this, I'm like, oh, the jacket kind of comes back a little bit. But when I tried on the extra large, it was too big. Like, it looked stupid back here. So there's really not many chances of me doing this. There's no need for me to do this. But yeah, I could lift my arms, and it's comfortable. I'm not tight, as you guys can see. You know what I'm saying? See from the back. But yeah, man. Let me know what y'all rate this outfit. 1 out of 10, man. Let me know what y'all rating it. Let's get into this second and final fit. All right, before I get into this next and final outfit, I forgot I want to unbox and show y'all the jeans first before we just try it on. And just a little bit closer, in case y'all couldn't see from far away. Y'all see that contrast I was talking about? Y'all see it now, right? It's like these joints was made for this shoe. Crazy. And that's why I said in my one of my previous videos, sometimes you gotta just fall back on sneakers, man, and just pick up more jeans, t-shirts, accessories, chain wallets, stuff to make your fits better, man. A lot of people focus on the shoes, the releases, but they don't have good fits. A lot of people can't put good fits together with their sneakers because they don't have good clothes. But anyways, from Shoe Palace, this took about a week. I've had stuff come faster than that, but it is what it is. I'm happy it's here. Let's see what this says. This has personal information on it, but yeah. Shoe Palace receipt. Guys, I'm nervous, man. I'm gonna let y'all see them first before I even look at them. Got my eyes closed so I can find the front part. What y'all thinking, man? My eyes are still closed, man. I don't know. What y'all thinking? Fire or not? All right, let me open my eyes. Okay. All right, so the details, it's kind of hard to see the details, man. This is crazy. Like, I knew it was kind of faded, but, man, y'all not seeing these details, are y'all? I don't know how good that is. All right, so you got Scarface, his face right here. It's like the details are a little better on the back. First, let me look at it first. All right, so you got Scarface going down the leg here. I know you guys can see that. And it's going down sideways. Got that Scarface right there. Then you got that Tony Montana logo right here. Let's see what else we got on the other leg. Looks like we got an island here. The palm tree. Pretty dope. In the sunlight, definitely you'll be able to see this a lot better, guys, but let's see what we got here. So again, we got Scarface. Look like he holding an AK. Look like he holding an AK, and then got some flames above that. Right here. Apologize, the lighting is not the greatest either. Let's see what we got on the other leg. Then again, it says Scarface has the world is yours logo. Then it says Cuba. Has some writing here as well. Let's see if you can see that. Damn, I'm trying to get the lighting right. Guys, this lighting is trash. See if I can see that. Y'all can't see that cute. Sorry, guys. Lighting is not the greatest, but yeah. Got the Scarface tag there. It says extra large with his crib in the movie. And then same thing here. And this is what I paid, man. Paid $25 and they used to be $50. They're on sale for $25. So let's put these joints on, man. All right, so before I put the jacket on, I want y'all to just see the t-shirt. Can y'all see what's on my feet already? You feel me? Let me throw this jacket on, man. It's really gonna bring everything together, for real, for real. And my Burlington always has great options for Scarface tees, right? They had a few different Scarface tees with his face, and I said, nah, that would have been overdoing it, because you already got his face right here. So just the flames on the bottom, you know what I'm saying? Hitting with that S up top, I feel like it just fire. Fire, guys, in my opinion. Let me know what y'all thinking. But yeah, I'm feeling this one. Rate this fit 1 to 10 for your boy, please. Shout out to my brother Demon. My brother Demon was thinking Space Jam 9s, which could go with this as well. Definitely, Space Jam 9s could go with this. I also said to him about Black Cement 3s, just to bring out the gray, little gray hits here. You could go either 3 of those. You could even go Bread 4s if you wanted to. I wouldn't go leather. I would say the up and coming release. You could go with those too, definitely. But yeah, man, with the whole split, you know, the split white and black, I just feel like the playoff 12s was a good option, man. Very good option. Definitely digging the jeans. I'm definitely happy I went with an extra large. A large would have been too tight on the waist area. I could already tell. Dope, guys. I can't wait to give y'all this fit outside so you can see the details in the jeans. Because unfortunately, the lighting wasn't the greatest, so you guys can really see the details how I wanted y'all to, man. But yeah, man, dope. I'm comfortable. I don't feel uncomfortable, like super tight or anything like that. Great, man. For me, this is a 10 out of 10, but I would love to know what you guys think as far as both outfits go. And just in case y'all forgot or you new here, yeah, not the recent release playoff 12s. Not the recent release, man. And shout out to CT Soul Saver. He re-iced these for me, you know. Soul De La Souls, he iced them, but the way I was storing them, you know what I'm saying, they yellowed fast, but he took care of me. And I feel like eventually, just in general, I'm going to have to get a newer release, because these, I don't know how much longer these are going to hold up. To be honest with you, I really don't know. You know what I'm saying? Especially when they get back out in sunlight, they'll probably start to yellow again, so... Only time will tell. Only time will tell, guys. But I appreciate y'all if y'all watch this video, man. Y'all comment down below, please. Hit the like button, share, all that good stuff. Subscribe if not already. And we got more putting outfits together with Burlington t-shirts and pants and stuff like that. We definitely got more. I would have gave y'all more tonight, but I'm tired, man. It's only 2 fits, all right? I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace and love.